What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. Guys, this bike's awesome. It's got great tread left on these Michelin. I think this is a radial. Yeah, the Anarchy 3. Yeah, Michelin Anarchy 3 tire. Look at that. It's got this. It's got a ton of tread left on that. Rear fender's in good shape. It's got a tender. It's got the skid plate underneath from ALT Rider. Guys, this is sick. I really want to keep this bike, but I know it's going to sell quick, so I don't think I'm going to be able to. It's got some scuffs, if you can see, like right on the plastic there. But the bars, like these crash bars, are in good shape. The skid plate's in good shape. Bar ends, lever ends. A little scrape there, not a big deal. Mirror's in good shape. Overall, this is in really good shape. I love this bike. I just love the look of this bike. It's got a little scuff right there. I feel like the guy who buys this, though, is not as concerned about the scuffs and the scrapes and stuff like that, and more concerned about the overall condition. It's got good travel tires. You know, if it's been cared for, maintained. It's got 16,000 on it, I believe. These are from ALT Rider as well, these crash bars. Just because the people that ride these bikes ride them. You don't put a skid plate and crash bars underneath it to not ride the bike. A bit discoloring there. It's pretty normal. This all looks really good. It's just a stock exhaust. It does have a center stand as well. Stock exhaust. It has the brackets for the bags, but it does not have bags or a top box. Top of the tank's in really good shape. Bars are in good shape. Nothing's bent or anything like that. It's got 16,099 miles on it. Fires up right away. Pretty low on gas, winterized. I love this bike, guys. Guys, like I said, 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. It's got a lot of cool stuff. I know a lot of guys mount a lot of awesome stuff up here. I don't think it has bar or grip heat, which would just be an awesome feature. But like I said, guys, 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. It's in great shape, guys. Got Michelin tires on it. The Anarchy 3. I don't know. I'm so bad with my tire recommendations. It's in great shape, guys. Like I said, it's got crash bars, it's got the skid plate underneath, it's got a center stand. It's in really good shape. It's got some scuffs here and there, but guys who get these bikes ride these bikes, and this one's in killer shape. It will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the Instagram at Srkcycles, as well as check us out, Bikes and Beards, and make sure to join the Facebook group. Thanks a ton, guys.